Hello guys, this is Liwi Textile Company from Shaoxing. Today we will show a wide variety of diamond fabrics. This is a colored square diamond. This one is the same bottom net fabric, but different diamonds. This is crystal diamonds. This diamond is gray color. It's still bright in the light. This diamond is black color. The collocation of the same bottom and diamond color is very advanced. This is also the same bottom with color collocation. It's a white bottom mesh with silver diamond. These displayed designs are sparse. If you want more diamonds, more shiny, please contact us to customize. This one is red bottom net and red diamonds. And is the dense design. You see all the grid intersections with diamonds. This changes to a more shiny phantom diamond. You can compare the red diamond on the front. This one is more shiny. Same diamonds, different color of bottom fabric. For this design, we changed the bottom net and diamonds more. The bottom net of this model is a little thicker than the last one. Same dense design, same sparkle. Do you interested in these diamond fabrics? We can customize the production according to your requirements. Please contact us when you feel free. Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.